Hello viewers, welcome to my maths class. Today I am going to explain that the HCF, highest common factor, the complete information about the HCF. I am going to explain that HCF complete video. Okay. So see that what is HCF first of all. So this is the most important thing. So many students may get confused to find the HCF. So what is that HCF? Highest common factor. So what is the definition of HCF? So right, the HCF of two or more than two numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly is called the HCF. Okay. So what is the definition of HCF? HCF of two or more than two numbers is the greatest number that exactly divides each of them is called the HCF. So this HCF is also known as HCD or GCD, means highest common divisor or greatest common divisor. So this is the simple definition about the HCF. So now see that how many methods we have to find the HCF. So here three methods we have to find the HCF. So they are, so first one is, so methods to find the HCF, methods to find the HCF, methods to find the HCF. So first one here, three methods. So what I said, first one is writing by the factors, writing by the factors. So second one is, so by prime factorization method, prime factorization method, prime factorization method. So third one is division method, division method. So these three are the most important methods to find the HCF. Okay. So now I will explain that first one, writing by the factors. Okay. First method I will explain to you. Okay. Okay. Now see the first method by writing all factors. So by writing all the factors of the given numbers, we can find the HCF. So this is the first method. So now let us see the one example problem. Find the HCF of 12 comma 24, 12 comma 24. First of all, we have to write the factors of 12 as well as 24. So factors of 12 first. So factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12, and factors of 24, factors of 24. So what are the factors of 24? So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma, so 9, 10, no, not possible, 12. So comma next to 24. Okay. Now factors of 24, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 12 comma 24. Now so write the common factors from these two, common factors, common factors. What are the common factors? Common factors, what are they? See 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. So these are the common factors, right? 8 and 24 are both are not common factors, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. So now if you observe, what is the highest common factor from these? So 12. So this is the highest one, highest. Okay. So therefore the HCF of 12 comma 24 is, that is what, 12 comma 24, the highest common factor which divides the given two numbers, 12 comma 24. See here, 1 is divides the 12 and 24, 2 is divides the 12 and 24, 3 is divides the 12 and 24, as well as up to 12 is also divides the 12 and 24, but the one and only 1 is the highest number which divides the given number is called as the HCF. So according to that definition, so our required HCF of 12 comma 24 is now what? 12. So this is the method of first by writing the factors. Okay. Now let us see that second method. by prime factorization method. Okay, I will explain that second method. Okay, now see the second method, that is by prime factorization method we have to find the HCF. So what is the prime factorization method and how can we solve by this method? See, first in this method, so we do the prime factorization of the given numbers. So prime factorization of the given numbers, then take out the common prime factors and multiply them. So that will be the HCF of the given numbers. So how it will be, I will explain by the one of the example problem, that right. So find the HCF of 12 comma 24, same problem. So here first of all you have to write what? HCF prime factors for 12 and 24. So 12 I am rewriting, that is what? So 2 into 2 into 3, that is, so 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. 2 is repeated here, how much? 2 square into 3 power 1. And now, so 24 can be written as what? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, means 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. So here to find the HCF, you have to observe the common factors. So prime factors, those common prime factors. So here 2 and 3 both are the common prime factors. So here only common factors you have to consider, common factors. Common factors. What are they? Common factors 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So now here to find the HCF, so we have to choose the least power of the common factors, least power of the common factors. That is, so HCF of 12 comma 24 is, so what are the common factors? 2 and 3 both are. So here 2 is repeated 2 times in this 12 and 24. So what is the least power? Least power you have to consider, that is 2 power 2 into multiply them. So 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. So that is what? So 2 power 2 means 4 into 3 power 1 means 3. 4 3 is 12. This is the HCF of the given 12 comma 24. So by the prime factorization method. So very easy, you can apply this method for any number. So only you have to choose the common numbers. If any number included another except the other than the common factor, you should not consider. Only common factors. That too, if any common factor it will available, then you have to choose that least power. So that is the HCF. Okay. So this is the second method, prime factorization method. So it is very difficult, but so if you understand, it is very easy. So now that, so let us see that third method. What is that? Division method. So I will explain the third method, division method. Okay, now see the third method, division method. So by division method we have to find the HCF. So how? See, in this method to find the HCF, divide the larger by the smaller number. So now divide the divisor by the remainder. So divide the divisor by the remainder, repeat this process till you will get the remainder 0. So then that last divisor is known as the required HCF. Okay, this is the process how to find the HCF by the division method. So I will explain by taking the one example problem. Okay, find the HCF of 120 and 180. How it will be? See, very easy. See solution. So first what I said, divide the larger number by the smaller one. So 180 is the larger number. So divide this 180 by smaller number 120. So this is called as dividend and it is called as divisor. Now what we are getting here, this is quotient, and finally which we will get, that is remainder. So 120 ones are 120 only is possible. Subtract, then what is 0? 8 minus 2 6. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 6 is the remainder now. So what is the next step? This remainder, by using this remainder you have to divide the divisor. This divisor, what is the divisor? 120. So previous divisor is now become as the dividend. Previous divisor is now become as the dividend, and previous remainder is now become as the divisor. So 62 is 120, direct you will get that what? So 0. So until to get the remainder 0 we have to do this process. Last divisor, the last divisor is known as the HCF of the given two numbers. This is the last divisor. So this is HCF. Okay. So therefore the HCF of 120 comma 180 is what? So 60. 60 is the answer. So this is the division method. So completed three methods. First method what? By writing all the factors of the given numbers, and the second one is by prime factorization method, and third one is the by division method. So HCF, to find the HCF we have three methods, they are so completed. So now how can we find the HCF for one more problem by all these three methods? I will explain by taking the one example problem. Okay. Okay, now see the find the HCF of 15, 10, 35. So find the HCF of the given three numbers by using the three methods. So first method is writing all the factors. So first method I am doing that. So method 1. What is the method 1? See here. So method 1, writing all the factors for the given numbers. So factors of 15. What are they? 1, 3, 3 table, it will divisible, and 5, 5 table also, and the next 15 table only. There are no other factors. So now factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10 only. So and factors of 35. So what are the factors of 35? 1 is a common factor for every number, and 2 not divides 3, 4, 5 7 ja, and 7 table 7 5 ja. Okay, next 35 ja direct. Okay. So right, so these are the factors of the given three numbers. Now write the common factors. What are the common factors? 1, so 5, 5, any other? 7, no, any other? No. So 1, 5 only. So what is the highest one in this? This is the highest one, HCF. So therefore HCF of 15, 10, 35 is what? 5. So this is the HCF of the given three numbers by doing that first method. What is the first method? Writing all the factors for the given numbers. This is the first method. So in this method, what is HCF of the given numbers? 5. Now by prime factorization method 2. So method 2. What is the method 2? Prime factorization method. Write all the prime factors of the given numbers. So 15 is equals to, we can write at what? So 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 3 5 is 15 prime numbers only. Next 10 can be written as 2 power 1 into 5 power 1, and next 35 can be written as what? So 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. Okay, that's it. So now write the common factor only. Which one is the common factor from all these? So 5, 5, 5. Not there. 3 is not there in 10 and 35, and 7 is not there in remaining two numbers, and 2 is not there. So only the common number is what? 5 only. What is the least power of this common number? 5. So HCF of 10, 15, 35 is 5 here. So this is the common number, right? So we have to take that the common number 5 and the least power 5 power 1 only here. So therefore the HCF of 10, 15, 35 is 5. This is the method 2 by prime factorization. So now last, the division method. What is the division method? Method 3. So division method. So it is also very easy. So take that first larger number by smaller number. So larger number 35 and the next smaller number is 15. So divide with this. So 15 with 35. So right. So 15 2s are 30. So now subtract. What is the remainder? 5. Now this remainder becomes the divisor, and this previous divisor becomes as what? Dividend. So 5 3s are 15. So minus 0. Now this is the HCF. Okay. Now use this divisor and another one more number it is there, given numbers. So 10 is there. So by taking the HCF of these two, 5, 10. So means what is the highest number? 10 only. So now the 10 is become as the dividend, 5 is the divisor. So 5 2s are 10. So what is the remainder? 0. However, the HCF is 5. the HCF of any given 2 or 3 numbers. So, by 3 methods I explained. So, here I hope you understand. So, it is the very clear in complete information about the HCF. Okay. So, it is useful to find the HCF for the students and those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So, it is very useful and important topic. So, thank you very much.